So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding how to actually reset your actual iPad mini, so you will not lose any actual data. It's just basically you restarting your iPad mini. So press button down, button up, and then just press the actual turning off button. Now once it says the actual turning off, you wait and you do not slide it. You wait until you see the Apple logo, and that's mean basically you can restart it. Okay, so you wait, and there you go. You've just restarted the actual iPad mini. You will not lose any actual data or anything. So once you take it off, it should automatically turn on. There you go. And now you're ready to go. Okay, so if you've got any questions, as always, just leave it down here in the comments below. And me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as shortly as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.